glam up our $20 hair from this to this. From this to this. So let's dive right into the video.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take up. Batman me a come in me.
Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome so much. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. I am Katia Valino. I am beauty and lifestyle influencer. I call myself relationship expert. So guys, please consider subscribing. Today we're going to be doing some glam. Who here is tired of staying indoors? Who here is tired of the snow? I am extremely tired of the cold weather, of the pandemic. So I wanted to bring you guys a little bit of excitement on my channel. So we are going to be doing Afro hair. So finally I joined the glam team. I wanted to really see what this looks like. I got this wig from AliExpress, Fave, F-A-V-E, Fave. So let's see what is inside the box. Fave. So I've seen a lot of these on YouTube, on social media, so I wanted to try one on. So beautifully packaged. This is not a promo of any kind, but I just love it. Yeah, so it comes with the hairband. Let me keep this down. Let's put it on. Okay, it's inbuilt hairband. So you're gonna snap this at the back, and let's try to turn this into a different style and bring up the afro. And so because this is like short and I don't really like the coils, I want to open up the coils to see if I can bring this to fluffy, bigger coils. So I'm going to be using these wet and wavy coils. Wet and wavy tangle-free. And because I want to open up the smaller coils. So let's see what it looks like. And I'm gonna use my fingers just to open up the coils. So I'm going to be using this gel to bring out the baby hair in front to even make it look more natural. So I'm using my old toothbrush and the gel. So and to give these different colors and different look, I picked up a bunch of these from dollar store. It's not really $1. I think it comes in 3 packs, 3 different styles in one for about, I think about $5. Yeah, so you can also try to coordinate a color. You can also try to add some colors and by covering up the black band. So let's go ahead and try this one on. So now I added some color by covering up the band. So let's go ahead and try on the other band. I love it. So guys, it's very easy, very simple to glam up. This wig is under $35. So I think it's about $30 wig. $30 wig. As a matter of fact, so guys, let me know which one do you like. Guys like the black one, the purple, or the pink. Yes, one hair transform into 4 different styles. So guys, leave me your thoughts and comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in my next video, and let me know, do you want to see more of the beauty tips? Because like I said in the beginning, I am tired of the winter. I am tired of the snow. So let's spice things up and voila, and talk about fashion and style more often. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Thank you for your time, and thank you for subscribing. Bye for now. Yeah, I will also leave you guys the link just in case you want to purchase this particular hair from AliExpress. I will leave the link, so remember to check in the description box for the link. See you guys. Bye.